Hi you guys. Welcome back to the channel. If it sounds different, it looks different, it's because I'm currently in my kitchen at my dining room table. And today I'm wanting to film a pack with me video. Me and my husband are going to be out of town for the weekend and I have yet to do this, and I thought, what a perfect time to film a little pack with me for being out of town type style video. I recently watched, why can I not think of her name? Anyways, Blinking. I know these are done all the time, so it's not like I'm trying to give credit to someone. They're done all the time. Anyways, I wanted to do a pack with me video. I'm in my kitchen. I've got some natural lighting coming in from over here and over this way with the window. And I thought doing it on the table would be a nice surface. So I'm just going to kind of show you the products I'm taking with me, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack them at the end of the video. So let's get started, guys. So first I'm going to start with primer. Here we go. So this is the Wet n Wild Impossible Primer. This currently is in my project pan, and I've actually used quite a bit more since my last update. So this is the primer I'm going to be taking with us. So for foundations, I am taking two options. I'm taking a liquid and a powder. This is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. And then this is the new Makeup Forever Powder Foundation. And lately I have been struggling with like liquid foundation not lasting on my skin, and yesterday to work I wore powder foundation and it was so much better. So I'm taking a powder option and this option. This works really good for my oily skin, and this is in my project pan, so I'm trying to use this up, but I'm gonna take both of these because I feel like I just need both options. Okay, then for concealer, I'm just taking one. So I'm taking the Flower Beauty. This is the Get Real Serum Concealer. I have been obsessed with this concealer. I literally use it every day almost. And I feel like I'm gonna be out of it here pretty soon. But this is the best concealer, and if you don't have it, I highly recommend picking it up. Okay, then moving on to powder. This is the Revolution, I don't even know like what exactly this is called, but this is like their newest powder. Yeah, it's just called Revolution. I don't know what the name of this powder is, but it's got like the pressed powder version up here, and it's just a translucent powder. And then it's got like the little sifter hole. Oh geez, I just literally made a mess. That's great. Please hold. And then for blush options, I'm doing two cream blushes. This is the e.l.f. Putty Blush. I wish my camera would focus. Here we go. e.l.f. Putty Blush and Turks and Caicos. I have a big pan in it, and this is one that's in my project pan. And then this is the REM blush in the shade Broadway Baby. So it's a really nice like berry color. So I've been really enjoying both of these cream blushes. And then for powder blush, I have these two. This is the new L'Oreal Infallible one. This is in the shade Confident Pink. This one is. It's a really pretty pink. And then this one is one of the new Too Faced ones in Candy Clouds, the like popular one. It is such a fun pink, guys. So I've been loving both of these two powder blushes. And then for bronzer, I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. This is really big packaging to pack with me, but I'm trying to hit pan in this for my project pan. As you can see, sneak peek, I have still not hit pan. This is gonna probably take me forever, but I'll probably be working on this all summer. So I wanted to take this bronzer. And then for highlighter options, I'm taking two. So the Flower Beauty Cream Highlighter Spotlight in Opal. I have been loving this cream highlighter, and then the Tarte highlighter in the shade Stunner. I have this one in my project pan. Still don't have pan in it. But I've been using this one a lot, this Tarte one. So I thought I'd take 2 highlighter options. Then for brows, this is kind of what I've been using as of lately. This is the Too Faced Brow Wig. I like this a lot. And then the Too Faced Fluff and Hold. I like it, but I don't love this one as much as the like NYX, like the glue one, or the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I really like the Benefit one. And this is the Blade Brow from the new brand at Walmart called Relove by Revolution. This brow pencil is only $3, and I will never buy another brow pencil ever again. Like, that is over $3. So this is my brow combo I've been using lately. And then for mascara, I recently just opened both of these. So I got them new a little, like about a month ago, but I just finished up a mascara and then was able to open up these 2 new ones. Okay, so we got the LA Girl Lift Off and then the 5D Lash Pow by, I think this is Revolution. Yeah, the R. I see the R here. So yeah, this is a Revolution. This one's really cool. You just push it. And this one is a very fluffy wand. And this LA Girl Lift Off one, I really like this one. It's like very thin here at the top, but then fat at the end. So I actually used both these mascaras and like layered them together, and they're really nice today. And then I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I have this in my project pan. I'm almost done with it. So taking this setting spray. And then last for eyeshadow, I'm taking the Glam Light Strawberry Shortcake palette. I recently found this at TJ Maxx. Here's what it looks like. It's really pretty. I'm a pink eyeshadow girl, so definitely taking a pink palette. And then this little Kaja stack. This is the Peach Madeline little stack. There we go. It has like 3 shades, like a little peach shade and then 2 like chunky sparkly shades. So I'm taking these 2 for eyeshadow options. And then for lips, I recently bought these Ulta waterless lip stain, and all I can say is that I'm obsessed with these. I got a pink one and this reddish one. I also have an orange one, but I decided just to take the pink and the red. So sometimes I'll put these on at the beginning of my makeup routine to like stain my lips, and I've been loving these. And then sometimes I've been layering them with a lip oil, so I'm going to take these two NYX Fat Lip Drip lip oils, and I have Follow Back and Mist Call. So I'm going to take these 2 for lip options. And then last but not least, I'm taking these 2. This is my current beauty blender I'm using, and then I ordered this pack of powder puffs off Amazon. And I love them because it kind of looks like cotton candy. So this is what I'm taking. So now I'm just going to show you what I like pack all my makeup in. So this is a little sunflower like travel case. It's like very hard. Like this is like hard, so nothing will like, if something lands on this, it's not gonna cave in and smash anything. And it has these like little divider things that you can like move around and stuff. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of show you guys how I'm going to pack this. I'm going to hold it up so you can kind of see. I'm going to put the mascaras there and kind of the longer products in this front section. And the setting spray. And then back here in this other spot, I always kind of put bigger items. Okay, and here's what it looks like all packed. And then usually if I have an eyeshadow palette, I'll just kind of lay it on top and then zip it up and it all fits fine. So yeah, that's everything I'm taking with me on our little weekend trip. When you guys see this video, we will be back from the weekend trip. I'm actually going to be editing this as we travel. So anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. And don't forget you are at plate setting. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.